To get to the Connecticut SBAC website, Google CT space SBAC. The first website that will come up is the Smarter Balanced Assessment website. In this website, you will select Test Administration to begin the interim assessment blocks. Select Start a New Session Now, select IMS as your school, and hit Go. Then you will select the test from Smarter Balanced Interim Assessments that you would like to give. Keep selecting the plus sign until you get the test that you want to give. And then over on the right-hand side, choose in-person or remote. I'm going to choose remote and start the session. You can choose whatever reason you want and click OK. When you're in remote, it will give you a website. Copy this website and post it to your chat so that your students can access it. When a student clicks on the website that you have put in the chat, the student will see this. The student then needs to enter their first name, their whole first name, their student ID, and the session ID will automatically be populated. Then the student clicks Sign In. When the student clicks Sign In, they will see this page. Select Yes, if it is correct. Then the student should only see the one assessment that you have assigned that student. They would select that. Once they're in this page, this is an audio-video check. For the remote students, if they're on Zoom at the same time, they can skip all of these steps. If they have text-to-speech as one of their accommodations, they need to click on the speaker.
This text is being read aloud.
And see if they hear the text. If they hear the voice, select the green. If they don't have text-to-speech, they can just skip that check. Then they click Continue on the bottom. Then the student will get a screen that says Waiting for Approval. And they can also choose to allow to use the camera and the microphone. Once you have copied the website into the chat on Zoom, then you can close this out. After the student has logged in, you will see up in the top Approvals. If you know more than one student has logged in, you can hit the refresh on the right-hand side. Click on Approvals. Make sure that the student who logged in is a student that actually should be in your class, and then click Approve All Students, or you can approve one at a time with the green check mark. Once you approve the student, then the student will start showing up. The student, once they get approved, will see this screen. They can view the test settings, any additional test information, or a help guide, and then select Begin Test Now. Then the student will officially be in the interim assessment block. Once you have approved the student and the student has selected Begin Test, then you will be able to see the student's progress on your screen. You can pause the student by selecting Pause, or you can look at the student's setting by using the Test Settings option. When everyone is done with the test, it will show Completed in the status. After the test is completed, click the Stop button. If you exit the browser or click the Stop button, all students will automatically be paused from their test.